NVTS stock analysis price predictions for 12th of August. In this quick 1-minute video, I'm breaking down whether it's a buy or not for me. There's a lot of questions, right? Genuinely speaking, I am on the freaking verge, ready to pull the trigger, like ready today, if there is a full candle close above $7. I'm telling you, like, I've done this before. I mean, it's exactly with NVTS. I've tested 45,000 videos, you know what I mean, the last 5 years. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And look at this now. Yeah, this is decent. I took it from 5 to 7.5 with a 50% increase. And then the price now is here. And only if I see a double break, I'm looking to take it further up. Other than that, me randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, plus stock picks, click the first link in the description. It's free. Moving back into here, also there's a bunch of receipts in my Discord server. I'm talking 51 receipts. Not a little. Goodbye and enjoy. Stay tuned. It's free.